Kenang banla banyeng halaki jong ki kejan, ha Khubor bekidang don ha gijing sumar, ha Rehabilitation Center, na kajing pangkerni di drugs. Ka Dream Mission kepada ke projek banyak kuntma persya ikidrok, ha ka kat sau terik uyayong, kala saham di Tiar, syaki Tylli ki Rehabilitation Center ki badan hanong ba Shillong, ban Hikai pentebit iki Samla ki badang syak sumar, na kajing te merau jong kidrok. Kini ke center ke Belayo Cingyarap Kilong, ke New Hope Center na kebentar ke Shenrang, ke New Hope Center na kebentar ke Kenthai, New Life De-Addiction Center na kebentar ke Shenrang, bat ke Asha Bhavan. Haba ajing keren kini kesengi, ubak Francis Karshiying, uloong bakajing sedang jong ke Dream ban no Cingyarap de Tiar, syaki Rehabilitation Center, kalong shibenta ban pelat iki Samla balangop haudrok. Hadin bekelemi ni kijaka sumar, kidai ban la ban yeng halaki jong ki kejat ban yakun yu new drog dagi jing Trei ki jing keta ki bawan ra jing entoi ki shimet, bat eka ying kesem jong ki. Kini kitiar Trei ban ai jing Hikai ki ha kini Khubor bekidang syak sumar na kini ke jing pang di drog. Bun sin ulong, haba ki Samla ki la job yu drog, ki ngat biang ha ki tersim jong u namar kim nang ai ban Trei ban keta ban penmi bai nong yaladi. Haba ki ngop biang, udrok ukin tak jur, bat ki kelat telot arsyak Khubor perkat bat Khubor yakun persyak ya u. Kitiar bala Pynbiang ke sorkar kilong, ban Hikai Trei pendat pipe lani plumbing, ban syat jing bam di sya, bakery, food processing, bat electrical wiring. Ubak Francis ula penpau ke jing kermen, begini kitiar ken pelong ni Samla ban imja, dah ke Trei bakta, hadin bekilemit ni kini kijaka sumar. Ka Dream kelas nok tilang bat ke Industrial Training Institute ITI ban ai Hikai pentebit yakini ki Samla.
Tools yang ini rehab center Southly, but namta pada kita namtu syahmat pada salam nanti nak kalian kejok ITI bikin red eye training. Dia kejingtu juga kedai ba to prevent relapse. Yang kita pangat the prevention strategies itu. Ndai kibelangat kibalai undergoing treatment ngipwa iki bikin relapse. Teknik kedai exercise begini to it is a huge moment, huge change in the policy of the government. Kumno bagi treat malak treat yaki kena kebetulan beberapa rehab centers. Tapi kita kiwat sepoput, kita kiwat sendrumut, kita ngop sidang ngop kena. Tekani ketika effort, because kani ini pun suatu drug usage kalawan hari ini, it is a global phenomenon. Kamdai ngipdai bersolah, ini ke problem. Kadang there are many Idau ki shin gidi babun nakadaw yu ki drugs kena te tamba long minta kalawan we have to address te khani kade ko ka lat ka lendi man kwa ban address ndai ba long ki brio ki ong ba bali ka sorka ka pulut nai lak tentang ini drugs. This is a positive view ya ka ba umre stang to te yang NEHU recruit show ki brio ba yu kadang lak ka ba pulut ni India which will have a long term ka saving ban save ya ka ban yarap ya ka society kejungi te mde ko hoy madam yo mata gila training gila IG kai kanum kut ang tu follow up kanum kut ang tu nang tu nakadang jugiru gin ai support ba lada ikwa ban seng ka karkhana ka Dream Mission maka MSSDS kin ya collaborate lang gin ya IG support yaki niki you ban set up their own view im ai bisa in petian kitia de Pynbiang kitia ba kiru kilahan ban yang ala kija ta jong in set up iki nangta ka skill training jukir pada dalam certification kan inyo proper certification na ITI bakila pendep hok ya kadiga ayu nadem nang ni bila register labor department ru bagi employment exchange nang tu kidang yo placement sino the main idea is to keep them occupied bagi ini in like never relapse another like relapse inang duna ki drug users apo kata kata intention di halal kadi di support mo prem dia kan spang yaki most of the users are heroin users Basically, we are dealing in Meghalaya. This is the most dangerous drug that we are encounter. They have all of ki on kanu pidon kam ki spend kanu shiski by use of drugs. Yung are 2,000 to 2,500 rupees per day. Arja. Balay galong ka because heroin users they require 3 shots per day minimum. So one shot is costing around 600, 700 rupees. So you don't come Uma, Arja Sanspa. You don't do a south shot, sun shot, even come. They Kajam do over last year, Trei have ki bullet Nilaya. Coordinate have the police department, but the social welfare building departments. They don't have huge effort but pedunai drug support Shillong. Apa Meghalaya kan? Kapta Shillong. They kata ka jing peduna ka jing ki efforts but mereka ki pulut kelak penhiar dia ka jing don drug support apa Shillong kapta. They cause kelak kill. In October dia tu polis yang drugs one shot of heroin ko Shongdor drug spot news spot mencuat. October last year, we Shongdor Layaja Shisha. Layaja. The Khubor user today requires 10,000 rupees per day for his addiction. So what is the issue with us? There are two anti yaki users. Kawai today ba kisdang petty crime. Sedang katu, that is there. The other which is more dangerous, jiwa customer shoot. They get more customers, they become petty peddlers, and then to sustain their addiction. So that is more dangerous for us. Now there we have 14 given Samla rehab centers for Meghalaya. Agini centers kidon ki kena jungi melalui rehabilitation. And nakila mi namto ka data company ba ka relapse rate kalau high. Kemudian 70-80% hingga yang apa drugs. And jingtian jungi our fear kalau the kimi nam tu hajakam kin there non kimi kam kin even drugs hingga yang and the danger is kinwa show ki customer get more people involved in drugs kata bikin maju. Think me this is one focus. There are many kita dibon kila kilanting ya Trei tentang the dream mission. Dari kani kawai ka aspek bangikwa. Nimkwa ikna kibami dari rehab ban relapse. Nikwa ban penduna no yang kata. Over the years, over the last year, nilai keren, nilai don meeting bagi apanya vocational trainings centers, but nilai keren kumno ladang ni Hikai no ki skills sini. That I want to kita Hikai no ki skills, but in the me nam tu kinla yang no kerja tu. Ladang kinla yang kerja tu kinla nak relapse. Kinla nak relapse. Ladang kinla nak relapse. Ladang ki like nak relapse. The important thing is bah kita what come what lenti. Dia dah kata jingmu, so we went to government and we impressed for them. Initially, ni Trei buat ITI buat donbosco technical school buat base MSSDS ni Trei yang kini. Tambah problem kalau apa ada meeting bagi body South Bay principal jong ITI. Yang kasim sitom dia ni bagi rakit batik Tiar ban setai ban IG Hikai ki. Te haba nilai keren bunda, ite nia berhak nunga nia suggest no baka dream kan tiap do kita kin buah rehab centers but ITI not come sure but involved kita kita. Tikini kin cepat tiki experts but donbosco technical school baka ITI kin hak tiki experts makin dream iki kena. Te kata kalau menjur ke ITI muta te halor kata tinggi proposal to government, finally government can approve. Tiar mentah kasih ngayu ini tiar par worth almost 10 lakhs, 9 lakhs plus of the tools Kini ki tools in I nula selection of the Southly ki rehab centers. Kini ki tools in I ki Southly rehab centers, but the skills begin train today. One is bakery, bakery, food processing and food and vegetables processing. Plumbing, but wireman.
Ambil.